Well, one of two brothers charged with fatally shooting Chicago police officer Ella French and injuring her partner entered a plea today.
The family of the surviving officer was there with a message for the accused men. WGN's Sean Lewis is live at the Cook County Criminal Courthouse with more. Sean.
Yeah, Monte Morgan in court for just 5 minutes today, entering a not guilty plea on all 85 counts against him. Tonight, as 21-year-old Amonte Morgan sits in jail facing 85 counts in the shooting death of CPD officer Ella French and critically wounding officer Carlos Yanez Jr. Yanez's family is speaking out.
I pray that the justice system works.
Carlos Yanez Sr. in court today, thanking the community for rallying around his son. Carlos Jr. was shot 3 times on August 7th during that traffic stop. He lost an eye and is paralyzed and now is undergoing intense rehabilitation.
Taking it day by day, we can get through this.
Also at Morgan's appearance in court, at least 24 CPD officers and the presidents of the Fraternal Order of Police.
We're not going to forget this anytime soon, I can tell you that. And until justice is done.
John Catanzara calling for the repeal of HB 3653, an Illinois law which went into effect in July. Before that law was passed, those who were with Morgan, including his older brother Eric, could have also faced felony murder charges, in addition to the older Morgan's lesser weapons charges and obstruction of justice.
It is beyond disgusting that the passenger of that vehicle, Eric, will not be charged with murder like his brother, because if this had happened 6 weeks prior, he would have qualified for felony murder.
Catanzara praising the rank and file support of the officers' families involved and critical of Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx, saying that Morgan should have been locked up in August, not free, for previous parole violations.
She can slice and dice any way she wants and make excuses, but her policies have led to many offenders thinking they can do whatever they want, and there will be no repercussions. I mean, the reality is, Amonte should have had his parole revoked for a hit-and-run accident while he was on parole.
I feel that there could have been better decisions in those things, and maybe some of these crimes wouldn't have happened.
In response, the state's attorney's office says it cannot comment on pending cases and will continue to seek justice for both officers' families. Amonte Morgan's next time in court is set for December 2nd. We are live outside of the Cook County Criminal Courts building. Sean Lewis, WGN News.